Alright, so you can see here that I'm installing a perimeter fence for my rotational grazing, and I went to go get my camera to start videoing these guys, and by the time I walked to the house and come back, they done installed 8 posts. Talking about stealing your man card, they definitely took mine. I tell you one thing, that it would have took me probably about every bit of a month to do what they've done today in 2.5 hours. Still blows my mind. I'm a do-it-myself type person. I went ahead and bit the bullet on this one just to go ahead and get it done, and just to see, how it worked out. But I tell you what, it blows my mind to see how fast they put it in there and how strong the fence is. The workmanship is fantastic. start to finish, it took them about 2.5 hours, and 30 minutes of that was me chit-chatting with them and them explaining how they do things and all that, answering all my questions. But man, I tell you what, I don't know if I'll ever put a fence up again myself, because the quality of this fence is phenomenal. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, you can go down there and hit the subscribe button for me. I'd appreciate that. And I'll see y'all next time.